Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create QQ account. So let's begin our video. First of all, you just need to open any kind of browser. I just open my browser and go to search bar and type create QQ account and then hit the enter key. Right now you can see there have some option QQ registration. So you just need to select first one. So right now you can see the page already open. So first of all, you just need to type your nickname, Max, and then you just need to type your password on here and must be follow this rule for select your password. And then there have an option for type your phone number. So there have an option country code. You can select your country code from here. You can find all country code on here. So after select, just type your country code on here. Then select I have read and agree. And then you can find the option for get a verification code to your phone number. So after type your verification code on here, just put your verification code on here, then select sign up now. Then you can easily create QQ account. So this is the way for create QQ account, and this is the most easiest way. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.